Delete the default cube. Model a robot. Rig said robot, ideally with IK, so you can animate him and it looks more organic. Add seams to your robot so it becomes easier to bake the textures on later. Add in procedural textures so that there's wear and tear and you don't have to painstakingly paint everything. Model in a rough bike so that you know the approximate proportions of the bike. Model a more refined and detailed bike once you're happy with the shape. Texture said bike so that it looks more complete. On your endless engine scene, model a basic section of a tunnel that you'd like to replicate and add in a curve so that you can follow along that curve. Add an array and a curve modifier so that the section becomes a complete tunnel. Animate the camera along the path so that you have a moving camera. Add textures to the tunnel, ideally procedural because then you'll have an option of modifying the scene how you'd like. Add in pipes and other greeblies so that the tunnel looks more real and complete. Import cars from Sketchfab. You can add color variation to the cars to make it look like the cars are different even though they're basically the same car model with just different colors applied to them. Randomly offset the cars on the X and Y axes and animate them along the path so that they follow along. Give them different times of starting and finishing so that they all move. Add in your robot and your bike. Add in a robber and his bike. Animate the robot, cutting the robot's head. Add in a particle system to the robber and add a duffel bag with cash flowing out of it so you know that it is indeed a robber. Add in blood coming out of the body as well so it looks more real because blood would come out of the head and body in this situation. Animate it so that the robber falls on the ground and then is dragged back by friction so it looks more realistic. Once rendered, then you can go into the compositing node, add in a color balance with blue hue and one with an orange hue, and then mix them like so using a color ramp with the image itself as the factor, and then add in a lens distortion node so that you have the edges look as so, and add in a glare node so that you have a little bit of glow, and there you go. You finish your Endless Engines render challenge.